the necessary items into the basket. Onions, mushrooms. You're doing great. Olive oil. Perfect. Halfway through. Basil. Well done. Cheese. Perfect. Well done. We need to grate this. Let's cut it good. Let's cut it good. Tear off all the leaves. Great! The ingredients are ready. Here's some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for topping. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Hurrah! The pizza's ready. To find where our friend lives. Looks like it's over there. Let's hurry to our friend. Drive fast, Bear. Watch out! Squirrels ahead! Watch out! Hares ahead! Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Feed our friends. Cut the pizza in.